Singularity is a term that is gaining attention nowadays, as it is used by researchers in artificial intelligence field. Originally, the term means a place that is out of the ordinary, and it is used in mathematics and physics to represent a timing that a special change occurs with respect to scientific and technological progress. Futurist Ray Kurzweil, who considers singularity to be the timing at which artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence, examined the pace of technological evolution and predicted that the singularity would come in 2045. The premise of singularity is based on the idea that science and technology will evolve exponentially, but there are numerous arguments occurred among scholars that some believe the evolution will reach its limits. They advocate that it is difficult to collect high-quality data required for the evolution of artificial intelligence, and artificial intelligence cannot have an ego to surpass human intelligence. The timing of singularity is another issue, that some argue that the singularity comes earlier than Kurzweil's 2045, while others argue that it is farther in the future. The singularity is currently only a proposed hypothesis, and artificial intelligence has not reached that level as of 2024. However, the accelerated evolution of generative artificial intelligence, which has been booming in recent years, will have a significant impact on our daily lives, and more people will begin to feel the influence of artificial intelligence more strongly and more closely in the future. Kurzweil also noted in his latest book that while the timing of the singularity will remain the same as previously predicted, there will be technologists who claim that the artificial intelligence they have developed has reached singularity sooner than previously predicted. When the technological challenges are overcome and artificial intelligence reaches singularity, it will be necessary for humans to think about and prepare for the kind of relationship it will ultimately have with humans, and what will happen to human existence.